Hi everybody, happy April. This is April's monthly chapter 1 with symbol supports. Chapter 1, the sound waves of music. The students are ready for their play. Rhett grabs his guitar. He starts to play. How does the guitar make noise? The students watch Rhett play the note again. The string moves. The students hear a sound. So if you look at the picture, here's Rhett's guitar. He moves the string and it vibrates, makes a wave. The guitar string vibrates. A vibration is fast movement. The vibration moves the air. This vibration makes a sound wave. Miss Biss shows the students a spring toy. She pushes one side of the spring toy. The spring toy moves together and apart. So she pulls and it moves. This is how sound waves move. The sound wave moves to your ear. It makes the eardrum move. So your eardrum actually vibrates with the sound it hears. The eardrum sends a message to the brain, and the brain tells us what sound we should hear. Other things also make sounds. Our throats vibrate when we talk. So if you guys want to, you can put your hand on your throat and talk, and you can feel the vibrations as you talk. Sound waves move. They can go through water, walls, or air. Sound waves need to move through something to vibrate. Sound waves go faster through solid things. They travel far through water. When you are far away from sounds, they're hard to hear. So even though I am far away, you can hear me really well because it's a recording. But if I were talking from the other room, it would be very hard to hear me. Okay, that's it. Make sure you log back onto Canvas in your modules and see what you need to do for your assignments. Have a great day, y'all. I miss you.